our loan beneficiary under Stand Up India scheme, Dr. Jyoti Bali.
Her slides have to be played.
Naman?
Yes, ma'am, a second.
Please start. Jyoti ji? Naman, could you please unmute Dr. Jyoti Bali?
Yes. Very good evening to everybody. And at the outset, let me thank both the organizations, Kawe and Sidvi, and especially Mrs. Rachna Kalra and a dear friend Nidhi, who's not here on this platform, I think, but for this invite. And I take it as a social corporate responsibility to, as a woman, to encourage others to take benefit of this loan, because I have been a beneficiary and I would share my journey today as Rachna ji's requested me for this. And also, before I share my journey, just a word. Delhi goes into a lockdown today. And as a doctor, with folded hands, I request all of you to keep yourself safe and keep your family safe. We are in a worse situation than last year for COVID-19. So wishing all of you a very safe period of these few months to come. Everything can wait if we remain alive. Take the words very seriously. As a doctor, with folded hands, I request everyone to keep yourself safe and to keep your family safe. We are going through a war kind of a situation right now in the country. We are going through a lockdown, and as a doctor, I know what we are facing in our clinics today. It is a very, very difficult situation for us. So to begin my journey of this whole thing for which I am here today. Well, I am a gynecologist by profession, and I was trained to be an infertility specialist way back in 2009 with my first guru, Dr. Kamini Rao, Padma Shri Dr. Kamini Rao at Bangalore. And then I decided to come back to Delhi, and I was working at Fortis La Femme GK2 for good 5 years time as a head of the unit. And after which I decided to start my own venture. The idea was IVF treatment, by and large, is a very costly treatment. It's very expensive technology. And why should it not be available to everybody? So it was an idea where I thought, let me make it, if I have my own place, it's a family venture called Bali Nursing Home in Karol Bagh. I belong to a family of 13 doctors, where 7 are dentists and 4 are medicos. So I thought if I have the place, I can just put through this technology, same as the corporate, and make it less expensive, available to all, because one child is every woman's birthright. Why should it not be available to a rickshaw wala or an auto wala or any sabzi wala vendor? Why can't they afford this technology? With this thought process, I left the corporate, I started this venture, and it was my friend behind me who said, why don't we get up and do something to, move out of the corporate? She was a patient who turned a friend, and then she pushed me out of it. And there I was to apply for this loan. I had known about this loan through my sources, and it was a bank manager from Central Bank who made it very easy for me to, get this loan. Though the amount I took was not much, it was just 20 lakhs, where 8 lakhs was overdrafted money. And I got it without the collateral, as Mr. Pravesh Kumar mentioned. But I beg to differ, that at that point of time, it was 2017, I remember I took this loan, the rate of interest given to me was 7.4 and with no collaterals. And I think the explanation needs to be gone through on the website, because even the officers sometimes do not have complete information. So I think the information needs to be uniform with everybody. And I think we need to ensure that the client gets the complete information, because I was given 7.4, no collaterals at all. It was a 5-year loan, and I managed to pay back in 2 years, 2 days before the last year's lockdown, same time Navratras. So this was my journey of starting this clinic. And the video of the clinic has been sent to Rachna ji. If you all want to go through that video of the clinic, it was set as good as a corporate hospital, making IVF available to all, affordable to all. We have a scheme where EMIs are there, loan option is there, and we give time to the patients to not pay at one time, but give it over a period of 3 to 6 months if they do not have one-time payment. So we explain all those things to them, and I was able to bring up this venture. And my aim remains to open more branches of this clinic. And of course, I will again apply for a loan in good times and start this venture in different corners of Delhi NCR, or maybe even go out of Delhi and start this venture. It will be branches of Baby Soon Fertility and IVF Center, which is a unit of Seeds and Soil IVF Private Limited Company. Anything more, Rachna ji, you wanted to ask me?
No, thank you so much. And